In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit SKU on Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your SKU fields, how to update them confidently, and what to keep in mind so your inventory and integrations stay in sync. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. Make sure you're in the correct store, especially if you manage more than one. If you're on a staff account, you'll need permission to edit products, otherwise the fields may be locked. From the admin dashboard, head to products. This is where your entire catalog lives. If you have a lot of items, the search and filters at the top can help you find the product faster by title, vendor, or tag. Click into the product you want to update. This opens the product detail page. If your item comes in different options like size or color, you'll see a section for variants. If it's a single item product, Shopify still treats it as a variant behind the scenes, so you'll access the SKU from the same area. Scroll to the variants section. Here, each variant is listed on its own line. Choose the specific variant you want to edit. This opens the variant editor, where details like price, inventory, and SKU live. Locate the SKU field. Depending on your theme or screen size, is usually under the inventory section and labeled SKU or stock keeping unit. Don't confuse this with the barcode or ISBN field. Barcode is for scannable codes, while SKU is your internal identifier. Edit the SKU to the new code you want to use. Keep your format consistent with the rest of your catalog. Many teams use a pattern like brand category, attribute number. Avoid spaces and special characters that might cause issues in other systems. And make sure each SKU is unique across your store to prevent inventory mix-ups. If you use third-party apps, marketplaces, or a warehouse management system, be aware that changing SKUs can affect how those tools match products, so confirm the new code is recognized there too. When you're satisfied, click Save. You'll usually find the Save button at the top right of the page. Wait for the confirmation that your changes have been saved. If your product has multiple variants that need updates, repeat the edit for each one and save again so nothing is missed. That's it, you've successfully updated the SKU on Shopify. Keeping clean, consistent SKUs helps with faster searches, accurate reporting, and smoother fulfillment. If you ever need to revisit this, follow the same path. Products, choose the product, open the variant, adjust the SKU, and save.